love. It takes something. Girls need love too. Yeah. Girls need love too. Girls need love. It takes something. Girls need love. Girls need love. Girls need love. Girls need love. So what's a girl to do? Man? She needs love. Some girls need love. Girls can't never say they want it. Girls can't never say yeah.
Home to the Atlanta Peaches, where businesses thrive and it can be a little expensive to survive. Welcome back to another season 3 of Rolling with Nick Campus Tours. I'm your host, Nicholas Ramsey, and today we are in my home city of Atlanta, right here at Emory University, home to the Eagles. So today we're going to roll around this campus, see what it has to offer, and see if this private research university is a fit just for you. With 4 undergraduate colleges, 7 graduate colleges, a 19% acceptance rate, and a 91% graduation rate. I am so excited to be back with you all, and we are not going to waste any more time. So without any further ado, school is back in session. All right, y'all, so our first stop today is going to be the Student Center. So the Student Center has 2 sections. You have Student Center South, and you also have Student Center North. And these are home to different buildings. These are home to different offices, as well as food and dining, vending machines. You have private study rooms, you have an eating area, you have an outside eating area, and it's also right across the street from George W. Woodruff PE Center. And these are some nice chairs you can lounge around with your friends at. So let's go ahead and let's just keep this tour going. I'm really liking Emory so far. It's really nice. It's a great campus feel. Like you have some schools like Georgia State where it's buildings I don't know, it's a really big campus. And I know I went to Georgia State, so I'm just saying, like, I wish Georgia State had more of a campus vibe, but Emory is really giving off a great campus vibe. So let's keep on rolling. And this huge building behind me is the Woodruff Library. All right, y'all, so behind me is the Emory School of Medicine. And honestly, y'all, I think that this is an amazing place if you want to do medicine, because there are so many hospitals around here. You have Children's Hospital of Atlanta. You have Emory University Hospital. You have the Center for Disease Control literally right up the street, a few blocks down. There are so many great places around here. Grady is not far from here also, Grady Hospital. So there's a lot of places that you can put, residencies in, and I think it's just an amazing place to be. But yeah, this is the medical school of medicine. And yeah, it's gonna cost a pretty penny, but what medical school is free? But honestly, y'all, I think if you come here, you're gonna get a really good education. You're gonna be able to put your, skills to use. And that's just my opinion. So let's keep rolling. So you may be asking, how do I get around campus? What's the transportation like? First, as you can see behind me, there are buses that take you, shuttles, Emory shuttles, they take you. They're different routes, but they go as far as North DeKalb Mall. I see there's a Georgia Tech Stinger, so I think that there's a route as well if you want to go to Georgia Tech. As you can see, a bus just pulled up. And also if you have a car, they have permanent parking lots, and you have visitor parking lots as well. You can also walk. This is the heart of Atlanta. And later on in this video, I'm gonna show you and tell you some of the places that are so nearby you can walk. So like really, there are a lot of colleges where I feel like you need a car. Right here, I don't really think you need one. because a lot of things are in walking distance. If you have a car, great, but if you don't have one, I don't think it's a make or break, because there are shuttles, there are walk with friends though, especially if it's late at night. But there are grocery stores, and of course, if you want to get food delivered, you have DoorDash, you have grocery for Instacart, you have all that good stuff. So I don't think a car is a make or break here. All right, y'all, so I am out here at the Jenkins Courtyard here outside of the business school. It's a really nice area. You have grass that you can just sit on. They have some lawn chairs back here. You have this huge patio. You can eat food, spend time with your friends. I can imagine during the school time, it's really popping over here, you know, to spend time with your friends, to do your homework, just enjoy a night out on the lawn, day out on the lawn. Like, this is really, really, really nice out here. And the Jenkins, I mean, not Jenkins school, but the business school looks like it has about 5 floors. So it's nice out here. Yeah. All right, y'all, as I'm walking, I am passing like different halls. So there's a lot of residence halls here. There's no way that I'm recording every single residence hall. That ain't in campus tours, sorry y'all. But there's a lot of housing on campus, and also there's housing off campus, which I will show you all when I show you all the different food places and all that stuff. So let's get back to the car, and then we gonna do that. All right, y'all, so this is actually the high school I went to, Jordan Hills High School, which is right by Emory. I know this is a little off, but y'all, this was my freaking high school. All right, so if you're trying to get some food, this looks like it's going to be a sushi bar. So here goes one. And then on top, you actually have residences, which are really right by Emory. So this is the stretch that, you know, we walk on. It's really nice. This is what the streets are doing. And let's keep walking to see if we have any more food places. And then y'all, this is where I used to work at. This was my first job. It was Which. I know they're not open anymore, but dang. Let's see what the sign says. Because of network issue, we had to close down. That was my first job, y'all, but they do have a CVS down here. But other than that, y'all, there's a Publix that's not far away. There's a Kroger that's not far away. There's a Walmart that's not far away. So I thought this stretch was, yeah, I don't know what's happening. This is crazy. And when I say this place used to be popping, this place used to be freaking popping. Not no more though. It's crazy, y'all. Like, wow. Woo. Anyways, sorry about that. Well, y'all, that ends our journey here at Emory University. Thank you all so much for checking out the first episode of Season 3 of Campus Tours. Please make sure you all like, comment, tell me if you loved the video, if you hated it, where you want to see me go next. Please, y'all, just leave a comment, even if it's like hot. But anyways, y'all, I want to thank you all so much. We have an amazing season in store, and until next episode, please stay safe, stay happy, stay blessed, tell someone that you love them, and I will see you all later.